Good morning, guys. Dakota back from the live stream. Today is September 9th, 2021, Thursday. And on today's live stream, I'm going to be starting on live charts, thinking into backtesting. Actually going to be finishing year 5 today in this session. I was able to get a lot of work done yesterday and I'm going to complete it. And then over the weekend, I'm going to review everything and be completed by the 12th. Alright, let's get into it. So as you can see from the screenshot, my main setup is EuroJPY. Been waiting on this correction. Price has finally made that sell, right? That sell that we're looking for, push down. Now, like price to be more corrective coming down to here. Now I have my confirmations of my 3 legs if you guys really know my strategy in detail. But it would be a whole lot better if I got something like this. That would just be perfect. But for now, I think that's actually what I had to wait on. Yeah, it is. Because that's the only way that this pattern actually makes sense. I need some type of push up and then price come back down and then get that buy. Get a buy signal. So that's what I'm waiting on. If that doesn't happen, just corrective, like a corrective descending channel here, and I would be more than willing to enter off of that. 1 second. Okay, so that's your JPY. Let's go to the next one. I need to double check. Okay, I did. Alright, let's come back here. Dollar Swiss. I'm gonna do a full new markup on this. Because I'll switch from a buy to a sell, from buy to a sell. Let's go to weekly. Okay, we have this uptrend here. Well, potential uptrend. So let's draw the real uptrend. It'll be this. Yeah, and that's not useful at all. This is useful though. I would still love to see price retrace to back down to this level. That would be, I would definitely enter for buy there. Here, price is struggling to break these highs. We have just lower lows being created. Price pushed up aggressively, but a lower low is created. Well, looks like it's going to be created. Price hasn't broken this level yet. Am I drawing in black or something? Or is this just not drawing? Have programs open. It's interesting. Well, anyway. Wow. Okay, thank you. Lower lows. Price struggling to break this high here, so not really looking for price to break it just yet, possibly. I would still love for that to happen when we get our buy there instead. Now, obviously, this is a potential triangle. I still don't trade triangles. I found the opportunity to trade triangles. I haven't fully tested them. They're just, one, they don't happen too often, and I'm not really too intrigued by it, but I need to test it regardless, because it does happen often enough to where I'm not able to take certain opportunities, and I would like to take some opportunities sometimes. These opportunities. But anyway, since we have that lower low, I would love for price to continue down. Just gotta wait. Like, there's no real signal for me here, so there's nothing I can do except for wait. Can you take a look at Euro USD? I will be sure to take a look at Euro USD as soon as I take a look at as soon as I finish taking a look at AUD USD. So AUD, we're gonna start on the monthly. Or my fault. I apologize for that one. The daily time frame. Daily time frame, we can see that we have this downtrend. Price broke the downtrend. We have an impulse up. We're waiting on this corrective pattern here, and then reach that zone and look for a buy from that point. Now, price could retrace lower. No. I like this level. I like this level right now. If it does retrace lower, we're looking at the 61. Looking at the 50 first, obviously can't ignore that, and then gotta look at the 61.8. But here, price is correctly moving down. I like a lot more structure to be developed. We have this movement up, another movement down, and then look for a continuation up. Okay, delete all that, and that's pretty much it on AUD USD. Now let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD, I've been tracking it for a while. Got this descending channel. We're just looking at a reversal here. All right. So there's a possible buy here, but the structure that came down to make this buy is not completed for me, for my setups. So I need price to create two more legs. I need price to come up. I need price to come down, and then give me the buy. In other words, I wouldn't enter right now. I'd wait. And that's just been the story of like this week and a little bit of last week. It's just been waiting for me. Yes, it's a buy-in area. Yes, you could buy, but typically for my setup, I'm stuck in consolidation the entire time I'm holding that initial touch of this zone. I'd rather just wait to get the I'll just wait for the third leg. But there's your Euro USD for you. Hope you liked it. If you disagree or agree, go ahead, let me know in the chat. I'm gonna move on to the next one. Let's go to gold. Gold, I like the rejections here at this level. But like I said, story of this week, just waiting. In this case, we can actually say we're waiting for something specific. I'm confused. Okay, there we go. Now let's go to US 30. Yeah, wow. Okay, let's go. Let's go to US 30. Crazy thing to me. Descending channel, looking for an impulse up, looking for a correction, and looking for price to buy. Eventually, obviously, the lower it goes, the stronger the signal. Just looking for a reversal here to keep it very simple. And this is actually new. This is new, so I'll send this out. This is a legitimate change from a markup. Okay, next here. Okay, finally Bitcoin. Definitely looking to buy. That's pretty simple here. We can just stick that on the 1 hour. If we don't buy from that level, looking for a descending channel to extend a little bit further, and then looking for a buy from that point. Very much confused on that. But I don't think it really matters. I just need to focus. Impulse up, correction here, looking for a continuation up. And okay. Now today I'm actually going to be showing my backtesting because it's the last 3 months. And I'll keep myself recording. So only year 5 have I shown this stuff. But I have to take a short break. I have to make sure I'm focused. So all the requested pairs were talked about. If you want to check it out, just rewind and you'll be able to find them. What else do we have here? That's about it. Prime setup I'm waiting on right now, AUD, USD, and Euro JPY. Dollar Swiss, there's nothing clear set up there yet. Alright, give me a few minutes. Okay, we're about to get into it right now. And let me just share my screen. Okay, first off, I need to figure out where I'm at. So give me 1 second. So sorry. Okay. There 2, there 3. There are 5 on the entry. Entry stop. Yep, cool, perfect. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 positions. Basic, 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 scale. Okay, SL for this one. So break even, that's in profit. This is original. Oh, I forgot to check for partials. Go back. So for this one, we're 43. Which doesn't look like we're actually gonna make it. Or wait, yeah, I'm focused on the wrong target. You already got partials for that one. Definitely got partials for that one. 41. Break this low. Low is broken. Okay, order rate. What is next? This one, which is 16. Yeah, okay, so I wouldn't do that one yet. And that leaves me with less than 1% risk open. Okay. Let me mute this. Okay. Impulse correction to partials. That sells break even. Waiting for this next one. SL hit. You put in the low. 305. 9250. Also need to put in the high for this one, which is 93155. 93.155. Next. Okay, which one is this? H1 setup. Last H1 setup was 301. Dang it. File. Okay. So this one is gonna be 295, right? Yeah, 295. Next. And that should be for our 295. Yep. That was off the initial touch. Why am I seeing this as the annex setup instead of the other one? Am I just seeing the lines cross? Yeah, I'm just seeing the lines cross. Okay. Looks like I accidentally already logged that one, so I'll check it and make sure it's the right one later. TP. Okay, now we have one position open. That's off the 1 hour time frame. After this 1 hour setup, I'm going to be looking for 4 hour setups. Review the daily, review the weekly and daily to see where we're at overall. I'm not taking this. Is this? That one has to be wrong. That has to be wrong. I wouldn't be selling if the level was that high. So on the weekly, we have this bullish formation. So I don't really see price going any lower. I need to draw a downtrend, wait for the break of the downtrend, and look for a buying opportunity. So I'll draw a temporary one on the 4-hour time frame because that's what I'm going to be paying attention to. Now in this situation, for this 1-hour setup that I'm in, if that trend line breaks, I'll go ahead and close. If price continues to go down, it just continues to go down. But in this area, I'm looking for some type of reversal. Price is already maxed out the bottom. I believe. Or I just don't have it on my daily chart for some reason right now. Yeah, okay, so that's why I was selling. So I have it on the 4-hour, I don't have it on the daily rate. Because it's a recent low that was a recent low that was created. We got this high tested, looking for price to scale down. Now if it still holds true, if that trend line does break, should be looking for buy setups, temporary buy setups, but ultimately I'm looking for price to revisit the bottom. Okay, now that makes sense. Okay, go back down to the 1-hour and manage this position. Okay, so now I have an actual reason to take it. This is 304. Because we got that strong wick. If it meets all confirmation, I'll take it. But if all confirmation that I met, obviously I'm not gonna take it. Because we got the 3-legged pattern. Price put that right above the 61.8, hit the 88.6. We have some room to the downside. Just don't like the setup too much. Okay, what happens if I take it and I lose? It'll lose 1%. What happens if I don't take it and I lose? Obviously nothing. But if it wins and I don't take it, it's not like, regardless, like the equity doesn't matter in this case. Is the setup completely valid? It's not completely valid. The legs in this situation are overextended. They're past my levels of interest, and yeah, past my levels of interest, so I can't take it anyway. So now I need to be looking for a 4-hour setup. Okay, I have a break and started to correct, but that's more of a 1 hour correction. And the break isn't strong, so still waiting. Could get structure developed on the 4 hour. No, the setup actually played out, at least to the 0. With that, I'll have to extend this. So that looks like a 38. Yes, a 38, so can't take that one. Wonder, as a 4 or so, that looks better. Well, it doesn't look better. Like, it's still just, it's correct movement, but it doesn't form all the structure that I need. Did we not touch it? That's a shame. Okay. Let's go back. Find the next one. Okay, we're almost there. Like with that much confluence at the level, I'm gonna have to make this more exact. So yeah, it's still a little bit higher. Next candle. Oh, what a shame. So we have an ascending channel approaching this level now. Still just need you to tap it. There we go. Okay, so price overshot it. So the next area of interest is going to be about here. Is everything still valid though? Is everything still valid? We have our legs, we have the level, we have the fibs, we have an impulse, we have this corrective movement and the high hasn't been broken. So it's a potential trade. It's not anymore. So delete that. Okay, now we have the simple move up, waiting for a correction to the 38. Just have the feeling I'm about to get bamboozled. Alright, 38 fib squeeze. Zones here. Now for the 38, I guess I can explain this because yeah, sure, I'll explain it. I explained this before on the stream, but 38.2 I treat as first touch, first take, because like the pattern I like to see here is the high and tight flag, which is very aggressive, and it does not take a long time for anything to activate at all. Like if it actually plays out, it's the quickest thing ever and really aggressive. Okay, that's great. So I said I failed there. And am I missing something? Because when I drew fibs, I did start my fibs from here to here. Where my setup just not valid? It just overshot the 61.8. I love it. Am I just tripping around? Because there's 1 and 2 steps I've missed right now. Couldn't take this one because the structure wasn't right. The structure is all good. The only problem is it overshot the 61.8 and went to this level instead. So it looks like I'll finish the timber on the stream. Alexa, set an alarm for 8:30.
Third alarm set for 8:30 a.m.
But the year probably had to finish like tonight. But definitely getting finished today. Yes. I don't know. I'm gonna have to take a screenshot of this and compare it. Let me just restart. Okay, we're having trouble at this area because price was here before. Price may not come all the way back down to this level, but could actually end up going further too. Or was this the sell that I just? Yeah, this is a sell I just didn't take. Price tested that level. Show we have a short-term downtrend. I'm looking for prices to go down to that level. I'm looking for prices to go down to that level until the trend line is broken. So I need to continue to look for sells until the trend line is broken. Okay, we have a flat pattern on the 1 hour time frame. And it looks like the 50 test. see. I didn't see that. Okay, there we go. So price is at this previous low. It either breaks through or rejects, and if it pushes up, we're looking at a break through the trend line and looking for a bullish pattern off the 4-hour time frame. I need you to break. I need a little bit more of a break before that. treated this as a 1 hour. And we have a possible sell confirmation here. It's below the demand zone. Target's going to be at 0. 8821, which is a little over a 31, or about a 31. Before I move on, don't forget about this. In this situation, I mean, for the testing, I have to take it, so I'll take it. I have to make sure that's true. 51. Makes sense. 2 to 1. I can't take those. Alright, I can't take it anyway. That's good. Okay, looks like they're looking me for 61, possibly. If we use that area. Okay. Alright. I hear you. Wow. I did not write it down. I went down to the time frame, but I didn't write it down. Okay, if we get back to the 50, I'll enter again. I would love for the trend lines not to do that. Okay, we're done with that. Well, if it gets back to the 50, like, I'll need that, but it's fine for now. Okay, I went to the 0 because demand zones are here. Could start to see, yeah, I'm not taking any more sales for the moment. It's a little early. Oops, okay. Okay, I'm about to delete some stuff so it's not too cluttered. Now that could still be within that range, but that's very aggressive. Soft 38. I'll take it. This area I need to start looking for buys anyway. OH4 3 8 yes. Yeah, that's right. 9201, 9201, 9201, 9201, 9201, 9201, 51, 40, 72. Yeah, that's right. Ah, I forgot to take the entry. Okay. Hi. A911. I can get to set up one more chance. If this is like the 60, which most likely it is. And it is. Do we have a level there? We do. Man, how'd I miss that level? That's crazy. I need to practice more. How'd I miss that? I need to do the what's it called? I don't even like. I didn't even call it anything. If you're in this for this long, number one, thank you. Please go ahead and hit the like button. Number two, the thing that I'm thinking in my head is that I need to go back through and like what I used to do when I was getting familiar with the charts is like go all the way to the beginning of the chart, like on the daily 1 hour or 4 hour time frame, and find every single pattern or every single piece of market structure and just mark it up. I don't think there's any video of that out there of me doing that, at least in the public. It's in the private chats, but I used to backtest in the mornings and then afterwards just mark it up every day, or find every piece of market structure every day. So I want to do that again, so my eyes can be quicker and more adjusted. 91,992. Yeah, okay, awesome. I have it. One thing I forgot to check for, which I'm gonna have to get in the habit of this. Oh, it activated. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. Get rid of fibs. Two, three, 10. Three, 10. Okay. We have a break of this high. Okay, so what's next? After the break of the high, waiting for another correction for a buying opportunity. You need this to extend a little bit further, preferably to the 61.8 before looking for that correction. Okay, at least it has at least extended over the 0 or the 27. So we have a potential 1 hour, which I'm obligated to take right now. Okay, I need at least a 50. Right? Yeah, I need at least a 50 in this situation. And that is perfect. Looks like it may have went down to the 61. Nope, just right at the 50. That's awesome. Alexa, stop. 35. 6282. Nine two eight six five. 2.865. Nine two eight six five 35 6282 6282. H1 312. Two eight nine. Okay. Why didn't I take it? Okay, also I didn't take it because it was aggressive and I thought it was gonna play out. Recorded 13 hard. Don't. Oh my gosh. It's okay. Risk 2%. Not in profit yet. Need highs to be broken. What are my partial areas? Yeah, I already took partials for those. We need these. I'll say 3.5. It's more about a 70. I have to do it. I already planned it. 312. Haven't done anything yet. Here you go. Just give me a few more. A few more and I'll be done. Page 4, H1. So we're going to continue to push up. If price comes back down, we're looking at at that breakout high, we're moving ourselves up, and let's do it. Second position. Exposure is 1% right now. If this executes, 90,881. This is 4 positions. I have to gather all the data. Keep going. Into A72. That sound like Russian. 20. I already have it labeled. 109. It's only gonna go to 100. Okay. Right, like that would not have been okay. I would have been out of that trade. Yo, what is going on? I'm super duper confused. What did I just say? Okay. Okay. Alright, I'll just take a picture. $14 entry. It's the wrong label. H1, that plays a factor. I have to divide H1 and H4. Okay, okay. Move those to break even. We have 916, 90.16. Sure. Okay, so both those hit now. Alright, both of them. Right? Or just one? Oh, okay, that does make sense. It wasn't activated. I was thinking I hit break even in the last one. I'm gonna finish up all these trades like to close, so I know. So I stay focused. Like I know what I'm doing right now. Like I know the plan. I don't want to lose sight of that. 14, 9, 2, 2, 3. Next. I'm not taking this setup. Now 1072. It's moving pretty correctly. Well, it's not moving aggressively, so we could see another letdown potentially. Which would that be good? That would be great. Okay. Let's see, we should beat this one. I don't know. Is that right in this situation? Yeah, that is right. And that's for everything. I still need to study like or test. I don't even have a plan for that though. I'm thinking about the evolving R idea that I had on like another one that I was talking about. I think I accidentally unmuted myself when I had the over shoulder view. Okay, we have a 1 hour, we have 2 4 hours, we have a scaling 4 hour, we have a regular 4 hour. We just have a regular H1 right now. Looking for price to continue to push. Price to move up correctly, so we could see an aggressive push down after this trend. Is there anything for me to do? For the H1, if this high is broken, not to move ourselves up. H1 scale in H4. 310, exit. If another setup happens before targets get hit here, I'm gonna stop. Exit. Okay, so we're watching the 1 hour. We're managing this position. If this trend line breaks at any time, we're gonna go ahead and close the position. It's a tight one. We have a lot of sustainable movement, so I'm looking for an aggressive break if it does happen. Nice. Okay, there's our break. A break is a break. Close it. Everything. That is everything. So let me save the simulation and done for the day. So gonna go ahead and review the charts now. Yep, that's right. Okay, we're in October, 2 more months and I'm complete. So definitely gonna finish that later today. And then start on review tonight as well. That's nice. Okay. So obviously I'm not going to be taking this buy setup on your JPY. And the reason that's obvious is because that's not corrective movement. Let's switch this out. That's not corrective movement. Like I said, I need 2 more legs. So if that happens, we'll go ahead and look at it. Taking that. Dollar Swiss is testing nothing. Okay. Dollar Swiss is just not showing me anything. Not showing me anything that's worth it. So I'm about to take it off my list. Your AUD is still setting up nicely. I know you had to set up on GJ, which has turned into a buy setup, unfortunately. And then we have requested pair of CAD JPY for a sell, which that sell is playing out beautifully. And we have an even larger sell on the daily time frame. If you have looked at the Buy Me a Coffee for the last week or 2 weeks ago, posted the full markup on this, and it's even in the Discord chat because it was such a nice setup. Like I just shared it, and looking for a major push down should be pretty interesting. At least right now, that's what I'm looking for. If certain things happen, and then obviously we still have that sell on UJ, which is still looking perfect as usual. UJ always pretty much looks perfect. Now I know nothing's happening on gold, nothing's happening on US30, at least for me right now. Bitcoin is just a good opportunity to buy. This joint went from, I swear it was like at 5%, 7% earlier today. That's crazy. That's everything, guys. Let me check the chat in case someone said something while I was locked in. No one said anything since you're USD, so we'll quickly review your USD. Looking for a buying opportunity, waiting for a correct movement. Nothing to do here too. I've said that so many times this week. Nothing to do, nothing to do. I hope you guys enjoyed the call. Tomorrow's call is gonna be like just me reviewing my backtesting trades, so you guys get an inside peek of how I'm reviewing it, how I journal it and everything. I'll still use Edgewonk 2.0. I just haven't I haven't had the need to go to Edgewonk 3, but here I'll set it up. If I write it down as like a to-do, not to-do, but like as a reward after I finish the 5 years backtesting, I'll have it. Once I finish all my review, I'll have it. I'll convert everything over to Edgewonk 3. But I'm still keeping Edgewonk 2. I like having it on my computer. Well, I guess I could have that link to whatever. Alright, okay guys, really appreciate you guys hopping on. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button. You see all these live streams that I have? You see all the live streams there? Oh, you guys can actually see me. Alright, all those live streams. Why are there no likes? If y'all don't like it, dislike it then. Just hit a button. Hit a button. Hit subscribe. To keep up with future content, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.